Wiring and calibration of online ion meter. We use the fluoride ion sensor to demonstrate. Other sensor calibration methods is the same. The choice of standard liquid depends on the site conditions. It is recommended to choose the two nearest standard liquid, 190 and 1900 mg per liter standard solution are selected here. First, the wiring. Ports 19 and 20 are connected to 220-watt power cables. 1 connect to the transparent measuring wire, 5 connect to the reference wire, and 6 and 7 connect to the temperature compensating wire. Note, for 220 mA, 11 and 12 are measurement outputs, 13 and 12 are temperature outputs, and 12 is common. Rinse the sensor in distilled water before calibration. Dry gently with paper towels. First put in 190 mg per liter of the standard liquid. Gently stir so that the standard liquid and the electrode diaphragm full contact. Press ESC. Enter 3900. Press Enter. Select 2-point calibration. Input low concentration 190. Wait about 2 to 3 minutes until the millivolt value is stable. Then press Enter. Take the sensor out and wash it with distilled water. Wash it several times. Dry it gently with a paper towel and then put it in 1900 mg per liter of standard liquid. Input 1900. Again wait about 2 to 3 minutes. When the millivolt level stabilizes, press Enter. Calibration success.